Hello everyone. I hope you are best of your health. So today we are going to start with chapter 8 of class 7, that is wind, storms and cyclones. So first of all, let us see what we are going to learn in this chapter. Air exerts pressure, relation between high speed wind and reduced air pressure. Air expands on heating, wind currents, thunderstorms and cyclones, destruction caused by cyclones and effective safe measurements. As we all know that moving air is called wind. So first of all, let us try to understand what is wind. So moving air is called wind. When speed of moving air is very high or less, then it causes ill effects. Sometimes high speed wind cause heavy destructions. For example, in 1999, Orissa was hit by a cyclone with wind speed 200 km per hour. Thousands of people lost their lives and property worth crores of rupees was destroyed. The cyclone also affect agriculture, transport, communication and electric supply. These destruction storms are called cyclones. To understand cyclone, let us first talk about some different effects produced by air. So, first of all, we'll learn how air exerts pressure. Look here, a child is trying to fly a kite, but he is not able to do that. Can you think why? Why is it so? The kite is not flying because the air is flowing in the opposite direction to the motion of the kite. To fly kite smoothly, he should fly it in the direction of the wind. Then the air coming from the back helps. This moving air is wind. How these winds occur? Now let us study the difference between air pressure present in atmosphere causes winds. So this is how winds occur. Have you ever thought how our lungs inhale and exhale here? Yes, the reason behind this activity is also pressure of air, which works when we inhale or exhale. We know that air is a mixture of gases. These gases exert pressure on the earth's surface. This pressure is called atmospheric pressure. Air also exerts pressure on our body. Let us see an activity to prove that air exerts pressure. So, take a tin with a lid, fill it half with water. Heat the can on a candle flame till the water boils. Let the water boil for a few minutes. Blow out the candle. Immediately put the lid tightly on the can. Be careful in handling hot can. Put the can carefully in a shallow metallic vessel or a wash basin. Pour fresh water over it. Does any change occur in the shape of the can? Yes. Can you guess why? Why the shape of can distorted? As water is poured on the can, some steam in the can condenses into water, producing the amount of air. So, the pressure of air inside the can decreases than the pressure exerted by the air from outside the can. As a result, the can gets distorted. So, children, from this activity, we conclude that air exerts pressure. Now, wind speed. Now, children, let us see how high speed winds affect air pressure. For this, we are going to perform different activities. So, the first activity, scramble a small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle. Hold the bottle on its side and place the paper ball just inside its mouth. Now try to blow on the wall to force it into the bottle. Why is it difficult to force the paper ball into the water? When we blow into the mouth of the bottle, the air near the mouth has higher speed. This decreases the pressure there. The air pressure inside the bottle is higher than near the mouth. Hence, the air inside the bottle pushes the ball out. Clear to everyone? Now, let us see the second activity. In the second activity, take two balloons of approximately equal size. Put a little water in the balloons. Blow up both the balloons and tie each one to a string. Hang the balloons 8 to 10 cm apart on a stick. Blow in the space between the balloons with the help of a paper pipe. What have you seen? Yes, you saw that when we blow over the balloon, they move towards each other. This happens because when we blew air between the balloons, speed of air increases and the air pressure decreases. The pressure outside the balloon is more and hence it pushes them towards each other. Clear to everyone? So now let us see our third activity. So for third activity, hold a strip of paper 20 cm long and 3 cm wide between your thumb and forefinger as shown. Now blow over the paper and carefully observe it. It went upward. Why? Because blowing over the paper reduces air pressure above the strip and increased pressure under the paper strip move it upwards. So, students, all these activities prove that increased air pressure below or wind speed accompanied by a reduced air pressure. If wind speed increase, air pressure decrease. That's why when high speed wind blow, our roof of buildings they lift up and is blown away because due to high speed wind, air pressure outside the house decreases as compared to inside the houses. Clear to everyone? Now let us discuss air expands on heating. Why? Children, You must have seen that smoke or heat always rise upwards. Let us see an activity to find out its reason. Take a boiling tube. Stretch a balloon tightly over the neck of the balloon. Pour some hot water in a beaker. Insert the boiling tube with the balloon in hot water. Observe it for 2 to 3 minutes for any change in the shape of the balloon. You can see that the balloon gets inflated. Can you tell me why it happens? It happens because air in tube gets heated and expands and its volume increases. This fills the balloon and it gets inflated. Now if we place this boiling tube in cold water, what changes can be seen? Yes, the balloon gets deflated. This is because air present in tube contracts on cooling, due to which its volume decreases and balloon deflated. This is the reason. That's why balloon deflated. So all these activities, it proves that air expands on heating and occupies more space and become lighter. That is the reason that smoke goes up. Clear to everyone? So thank you for watching this video.